Hello again, everybody. This is Jim, your product expert with Water Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video for your viewing pleasure, enjoyment, and hopefully some good information for you today. This is a question that we get probably every day at Water Pumps Direct. Can I use a spray nozzle on my pump? You're typically looking at a electric or gas-powered pump, doesn't really matter. Typically a transfer pump type of some kind, just a water pump, dewatering pump, or even a high-pressure pump. And you want to put a nozzle or something on there that may cut that water off at some point while the pump is running. So you can put these nozzles on there, but you don't want to shut that flow off at any time. These pumps that we offer are not what they would term on-demand pumps. They don't know if you're cutting the water off at the end of that discharge line, wherever that might be. So it's going to keep on pumping. It's not going to know. There's no pressure sensor on these at all. So again, it's not going to know. So you can do that, but just keep in mind you want to keep that flow going. You don't want to close it off because you do that. You do what what we call in the industry, deadheading the pump. You're shutting off the discharge while the pump is running and pumping water. Pump doesn't know that water is being pumped out. It's going somewhere. It's like blowing up a balloon. It's going to keep pumping water until something gives. It's going to be the hose. It could be the pump. It could be any one of those things. And when that happens, you don't want to be near there. It can be could cause severe injury, even maybe death, depending on what kind of pump and stuff you're using. So it can be a very dangerous undertaking, and if you don't know what you're doing. So hopefully that answers questions on that. If you have any other questions or on this or any other questions or Q&A video ideas, give me a call. My extension's right over there. Shoot us an email. I check all those emails out. Visit our how-to library. We got a lot of great information over there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So until next time, you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.